Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna do an eye look using this colourpop Cabana Club. Oh my gosh, can I speak today? And this is what it looks like. Summery palette because summer is almost over. And I have not used that palette this year. So I'm gonna combine the House of L palette from Adept Cosmetics, and it's super beautiful. Super beautiful. I highly recommend this palette. The one that was on sale is, I forgot, but it's coming. So I'll be showing that as well. So I'm gonna go in with the Cabana Club. And yeah, I am excited. So I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. Pool Party, this beautiful blue. Kind of messy. Maybe I should adjust my chair a little bit. So yeah, I had this like eye look in my head, so I was like, how can I incorporate this palette into a different palette? So that's what I'm doing today. Okay, next I want to go into the purple shade. And that is called Cha Cha Cha. Very nice. The blue is messy in this palette, so be aware. I don't know if they sell this palette anymore, but they should. It's a really good palette. I'm just gonna mix like kind of the blue and the purple together. I have like, it's a little messy right now, but it'll come together. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. Coral. Just go like next to the purple. Right on top of that green, I'm gonna go in with this color, Cool Off. Just to brighten that up. Now I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here, Bikini. Really good summer palette. So I highly recommend this palette. It's a little messy though. And then I'm gonna go in with the Zor palette. Cara Zor L. Yeah, that shade. It's like a shifty pink shade. It's going in the inner portion with this shade. Super beautiful. That just brightened up the look a lot more. These special shades I need to start using more. So I need to like combine other palettes and see what I can create and using the shade, because the next palette I am getting is all shimmer special shades, so from the same brand, Adept Cosmetics. So I'm excited about that. It's like the Plain Jane palette remastered or something like that. So I'm excited because it's an all shimmer like special shade palette. And that's what I'm wanting. So I can like mix and match and add these beautiful shimmers on top of any kind of eye look I create. So I'm very excited for that palette. It's super nice. So pretty. Trust the process as well. Going back with Pool Party, this blue right here. And then I'm going to top it off with a different blue. I don't like the lighting today. I don't know what is going on, but the lighting sucks. Sorry. Just does. And then I'm going to go in with the Super Shock. This is in coconut. So it's like this satin color shade coconut. From the Super Shock shadow formula. And next to that, I'm going to go in with a Super Shock. And this is Ultra Glitter in Sure Thing. So this is like a new purchase that I did this year. Probably, I'm going to go first with the shade real quick. Should have done that. Just in the center portion, and then going in again with the Super Shock Sure Thing on top. I think that works a little bit better. Just in the center. So I'm going to go in with this Super Shock now. This is the Tinkerbell collection, and straight onto Morning Super Shock. So it looks like that. Just going in the inner portion of underneath the eye with the shade. Very beautiful, fun look. So now I'm going to go in with this matte yellow, and I'm probably going to go into the shimmer yellow into the inner portion. This is Going Bananas and Limelight. Going Bananas, Limelight. Super beautiful color. I love yellow. And then going just off a little sparkles and going in with the shimmer. Like that. So here is the finished look. What do you think? End of summer vibes, I don't know. But this is really good. It's just really messy, and you gotta work on the blue. But other than that, the shades are really good. Just the blue's a little messy. But I like it. The shade that pops out the most is, of course, this one in the orange and the purple, the yellows. Really like it and enjoy it. And here is the House of L. I highly recommend this if you're into indie brands, which I am new to indie brands, and I am loving this. Super beautiful. I love the pink. Super beautiful. Using 3 Super Shock shadows. This green one, the like green blue middle shade, and then blue. I love this one. Sure Thing. Super beautiful. This one, I'm glad it's not like fully dried out yet. I bought this like 2019. So Yeah, and then this was last year's purchase. And I hit Beautiful Pan. So that is it that I'm wearing. Underneath the eye waterline is the Natasha Denona EO3 shade, I guess. Because there's no other shade names. So that beautiful blue-green. I think it's like more like a green. Using eyelash primer, the base from L'Oreal. Then I'm using the Ilia and Still Going Strong, the Rare Beauty, my favorite, my new favorite. So when I'm down on mascaras, I might purchase the full size or the mini for $11. This was like a sample from Sephora and I really love it. So I might just buy the mini of the Rare Beauty once I am down with my mascaras. But yeah, really loving that mascara and loving my look. Very nice, colorful, kind of grungy blue. I don't know. What do you want to call it? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.